Cody with Tom and Jerry's Boat Center here, and we're just gonna talk to you guys about disconnecting your batteries for long time winter storage. So when you come back to your boat, your batteries aren't completely dead. What I see a lot is people will have their boat sit all winter long and then come to use it springtime or summertime, and it won't start because the batteries are dead. Even if the switch is turned off, these batteries will self-drain over time. So what we like to do is just disconnect all the wire leads off of the terminals of the battery, and that'll help significantly. So what we're gonna do is just disconnect these positive leads, and we'll disconnect the negative leads as well. You'd probably be fine just doing either positive or negative, but we'll just go ahead and do both. And then I also like to use these zip ties just to keep all these wire leads together. So when you come back to de-winterize your boat, you know where all the wires go, either positive or negative. Just like that.